The 2026 World Supersport entry list has officially dropped, and the paddock is buzzing over the latest disruptor from the East. Joining the fray is ZXMoto, a brand new Chinese manufacturer aiming to capitalize on the trail blazed by its compatriots. Considering those predecessors didn't just participate but achieve staggering success, ZXMoto arrival cannot be dismissed as a mere novelty. The Chinese invasion of global motorsport is no longer a looming threat. It is a present reality, and ZXMoto is here to prove it can run with the established elite. The weapon of choice for this ambitious assault is the ZXMoto 820RR, a machine thrust directly into the fiercely competitive WSSP class. They are entering a shark tank that has long outgrown its traditional 600 cubic centimeters confines. Here, ZXMoto won't just be measuring itself against the legacy of Japanese engineering or European exoticism. To pilot this unproven machinery, the highly respected Evan Brothers racing team has taken a massive, calculated gamble. Leaving their familiar and historically proven Yamaha machinery behind, they have enlisted the veteran talents of Frenchman Valentin Debise and Italian Federico Caracciolo to tame the 820RR. They will need every ounce of that combined experience, as they face a formidable grid headlined by the dominant new Yamaha R9. On paper, however, the ZXMoto 820RR reads like an absolute monster that demands respect. It utilizes an 819 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder engine, putting it squarely in the same architectural conversation as the Yamaha R9 and MV Agusta F3. The claimed performance figures are nothing short of aggressive, a staggering 135 horsepower pushing a featherweight 160 kilograms chassis. While these numbers look incredible on a press release, any seasoned paddock insider knows that translating raw, brutal dyno charts into usable, tire-preserving lap times is the true crucible of World Championship racing. ZXMoto hasn't skimped on the hardware to tame that power, essentially throwing a premium parts catalog wishlist at the 820RR. The exotic spec sheet boasts a full titanium Akrapovič exhaust, internal engine revisions including titanium valves and connecting rods, premium Öhlins suspension replacing the standard KYB units, and top-tier Brembo GP4 radial calipers. Weight is further shaved using an aluminum fuel tank, matched with a magnesium subframe, camshaft covers, and oil pan. Yet, critically, the design lacks pure originality. The fascia bears an unapologetic resemblance to the older Honda CBR600RR, a design crutch they also leaned on for their 4-cylinder ZX500R. Though ZXMoto attempts to mask this imitation with unique side fairings, a bespoke tail section, and mandatory aerodynamic winglets. Behind this audacious project is Zhong Shui, a highly polarizing yet undeniably brilliant automotive figure who previously orchestrated Cove's meteoric rise. Shui unveiled the 820RR to the world at Chima Motor in September 2025, offering it to the public in 3 distinct tiers, ranging from a base model up to this uncompromising, track-ready homologation special. The ambition is clear, the capital is undeniably present, and the spec sheet is thoroughly intimidating. Now, as the 2026 season begins, ZXMoto must answer the ultimate question. Is the 820RR a genuine world beater, or just an expensive, high-spec imitation?